Hello everyone. I'm here. I wanted to make a video on this product. This is a hair paste. It's from the brand Mitch. This brand makes a lot of other products. It's very popular. The products that it makes are different types of gels, shampoos, body washes, aftershaves, shaving creams, and a lot of other things like that. So, how you use this is you simply take it off, and it's like a pasty. As you can tell, I use this every single day, and I think it's a very great product. So, all you have to do is you just take it like this, okay? You can get as much as you want, however long your hair is. If it's shorter, you use less. If it's longer, you use more. You take this, and as you can see, it's very, very thick. So it holds your hair very well. It's for more like a high rising holding hair. So what you have to do is you do this, and then you rub it into your hands. Once you do that, it can be like this in your hands. I'll try to show you a bit of over here. If you can see, it's my hair. You put it in, and you can put the paste in. As you can see, it holds it up very, very high. So that's all you do, is place it, and then you can brush it through however you like, and it holds it and has a nice matte finish. So now let me talk a little bit more about this product. So I first saw this product. I was over to a friend's house, and he had this, and he swore by this, that this was the best product out there. Obviously, after him saying that, I had to go try it out myself, as I did, and I love it. So I've seen this actually commercials for this company a lot on TV, and that's when I figured out I'd go finally get it after I seen commercials. I think I seen a commercial with some very big celebrities using this, so I thought it should be pretty good. So as you can see, this is the Reformer Stronghold Texturizer. Now there are a bunch of different kinds of paste. There's the Stronghold, there's the Medium Hold, and there's the so all the different holds are just the different thickness. So if you want your hair more spiked up, you get the Stronghold. If you want it more just like a little bit but not too high, you get the medium. And if you're just doing it to kind of like play with it and keep it in spot, you'd get the low hold. So this comes in only this one. They all come in this white paste. It smells a lot like a deodorant. It has a very nice smell to it. It definitely smells really good. I've got lots of compliments, people smelling my hair, saying that my hair smells really, really good, wondering what shampoo I use, and I just tell them that this is what they're smelling. It's the my paste. So this is like I said, made from the company Mitch, and it's distributed in Beverly Hills, California. So that's where it's manufactured. It's made in the USA, so yeah, it's manufactured in California at their warehouse. So it's an 85-gram container, so that's how much is in it. Yeah, you can bring this really wherever, because it's a small amount. You can bring this. I found it really cool because you can bring this on an airplane on your luggage, which you can't with many different like products and toiletries. But this one, because it's a low enough amount, you can bring this on the plane with you. So if you want to bring it on the plane, you can go in the washroom on the plane. You can use this, and it's, like I said, it's a fairly small container. As you can tell, this is my hand compared to it. It's small, so it fits really anywhere. You can put it in a suitcase, you can put it in a backpack, you can just, you can even really just fit this in your pocket if you wanted to. so it's definitely great for that. Yeah, so like I said, so the feel of the actual paste is very hard though. It's very hard and stiff. So as you can see, I have to push in with all my force, and it just kind of keeps it like that. So it's not really a soft product. One of the downsides I've found from this product actually is that because it's so hard and stiff, it's very, very difficult to get off your hands. You have to like wash them like thoroughly for like at least like 3 minutes straight for all to actually come off, which is kind of a downside because it leaves your hands pretty sticky, which, you know, isn't the best. So yeah, it's I've owned this product. I've been using it for probably about a year now, and this is my second time with rebuying it. The first time I got the medium hold, which I liked, but I wanted my hair to be a little bit higher, so I got this strong hold, which I definitely found was a great idea. So you could definitely give this to someone as a gift if you know anyone that is really into like hair products, and they maybe even if they use like gels, you can tell them to switch to paste, because I found that paste is definitely better for your hair than gel or even hairspray. It leaves it looking better. It's better for your hair. It doesn't kill it like hairspray does, and it just gives it with a nice look at the end. Like I said, it's a matte finish, so it's just a nice look at the end. So yeah, I do actually highly recommend this product. It's very, very reliable. This is all I'll be using for as long as I can now. So I really hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope it was informative, and yeah, thanks.